folks, it's Sarah with Obadiah's, and today I am going to show you guys the Nordica. This is the Rosetta BII in the Liberty Pergamenta color, which is one of the few kind of cream colored stoves available on the market. This is going to be a porcelain tile finish. Now the Rosetta model actually is going to have, I believe, 3 different versions. You can do this kind of tile pattern, which is available in this cream color or red. They have the Mayalika, which is going to have more like an X pattern on the tile, which is available in Tatora or red. And the Tatora is going to be more of a darker kind of like cappuccino color, more than this creamy kind of color. And then it is also available in a soapstone finish as well. Now this is the standard Rosetta. It is also available in a Sinistra model, which means the flue would then be on the left-hand side of the stove, which would move the firebox to the right-hand side of the stove when facing the front. Now this model we do import from Italy, and there are some models in the Nordica series that are now UL listed. However, this Rosetta model is not UL listed, okay? So it's very, very important that you check with your homeowner's with your homeowner's insurance prior to making a purchase. Also, if you are having any type of inspection done, so if you have like a building inspection, or if you're in Canada and having a wet inspection, then in addition to your insurance company, you should be checking with your building inspector as well. Again, wood cook stoves at this time are still EPA exempt, so there are no guidelines in, as far as that goes at this time. And this model does meet Washington state standards as well as an approved cook stove. So this model is going to have a cast iron top, cast iron doors, a cast iron lined firebox, and again tile, either ceramic porcelain tile on the exterior or a soapstone finish. This is one of the smaller Nordica models. If I remember off the top of my head, I think it's 33 inches wide, whereas most of the other models are going to be like 36 inches and larger. So this is good for tight spaces or for tiny home applications, also for heating smaller square footage. With something like this, I would say this model's really good for probably about 1,200 square feet or less. Inside the firebox, it is, fairly large actually. You should very well be able to get, I would say, an 8-hour burn out of here, but I will be test burning this and I will let you guys know how that goes. Inside the oven, firebox and oven size are actually the same width. I don't actually think though, looking at this, I think it's like about 11 or so inches in here. I don't think you're actually gonna fit a turkey pan or anything like that. So that's probably something to keep in mind. Located down below, you do have your ash pan below the firebox, as well as a small area here. The bottom here does have this lever, and the grate slides back, which is like pretty cool, because you can literally just kind of scoop your ashes back, and then boom, pull them out in the pan below. This is going to be what comes inside the stove, your owner's manual. Here's your tool to lift your lids, and a nice little baking mitt for you. Inside, and then inside the baking oven is just going to be the enamel plan. It does not come with a oven rack. I do want to show you the back of the stove. Sometimes people ask. It is not finished. It's not even like black. It's got a nice kind of heat shield built into it. This is the knockout here if you wanted to do a rear flue on the back of the stove. This is going to be the color pattern. It's a nice cream color. It's pretty popular. I like it. Does have like a floral design there in the pattern. 3-piece railing. So this model does have 3 damper controls in total. 2 are located at the top. Here above the firebox is going to be kind of like your secondary air wash, which is going to keep the glass burning clean down across the front. Located over here, you do have your oven damper control. And then also, you do have this little dial below the firebox, and having this open will bring extra air in through underneath the ash pan, and so that'll create combustion air from underneath the fire as well. So you've got quite a bit of space down here as far as pan storage. You could put kindling down here as well if you wanted. Located on the top of the stove, you do have your cook surf area as well as the multi-removable ring. This model is going to come with a metric flue collar, so we do custom make an adapter to connect you into the 6-inch flue, and that is going to be a required item that is sold separately from the stove. So I hope that you guys found this product overview helpful. If you like our videos, please don't forget to give us a thumbs up, click subscribe in the corner of our channel. Don't forget to share our videos with your friends. Thank you guys so much for watching. God bless and have a wonderful day.